Emva kokufika kuKacele okuzoyibonela ngawakhe okushiwo umphakathi, uJuju wamaphoyisa eRiverlea. Izakhamuzi zithi Emijondolo yase Zamimpilo yiyo izidleke samazamazama. Namhlanje amaphoyisa akasele kule Emijondolo.
We have arrested quite a number of people. I think not less than 20. You can see the gas bottles, the gold dust we got. But what is critical and what is of importance is to seal these mine holes. As you know that just right here, there's one there. It was sealed, but it was reopened.
Izakhamuzi zisizifuna isuso leMijondolo kule ndawo.
When you are standing in a shack, you can feel that something is happening underneath. You can feel those dynamics, of which it's risky. When they are shooting each other, bullets are flying through the shacks.
Okwamanje akaboshwa umuntu ngokubulawa kwabalisa abahlanu abathola benamanxeba okudutshulwa kusola imbango yemgodi phakathi kwamaqembu ozamazama ngokubulawa kwabo.